strengthen, deprogram, and protect your subtle bodies. There are various perspectives and philosophies regarding subtle bodies. The key is to understand that our body extends far beyond physical matter. We are energetic beings composed of much more than just our physical form. Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in this video's description and the first comment. Let's start by strengthening the physical body. We'll enhance strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility in every quantum particle, atom, molecule, cell, tissue, organ, system, and structure. We're going to deactivate energy implants, remove them, and eliminate energetic blockages, stagnation, and infections from your body. We'll send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, and energy, black holes, wormholes, and other unknown places in the universe. Let's strengthen our body by accepting it, caring for it, nurturing it, valuing it, and being grateful for it. At 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're strengthening the etheric body, increasing the vital energy surrounding our physical form, raising its vibration, and reinforcing this etheric body to create empowered, neutral, and expanded emotions, sensations, and reactions. We're restoring and strengthening the energy flow in every bodily system, removing blockages through our higher connection to the mental and spiritual planes. We're reinforcing this connection and integrating the various planes in all possible combinations, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, from inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're strengthening our thoughts to provide center, balance, and stability to this etheric body. We eliminate blockages, stagnation, and implants at the level of this body and send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time-space, dark matter and energy, black holes, and the taste of the universe and other unknown places. Let's strengthen our mental body, our thoughts, and our self-observation to discover and change limiting beliefs and direct our thinking towards energies that enhance our quality of life. We'll strengthen our self-awareness, becoming strong enough to recognize the self-sabotage that comes from fears, limitations, influences, and distortions of the ego. We'll become strong enough to make intelligent, neutral, and favorable interpretations that expand our consciousness, strong enough to give elevated meaning to each of our experiences, to each of our desires, and to each of our actions. We strengthen our mental body to enhance the expression of our emotions and improve our overall communication. We fortify our spiritual body to connect with our true selves, empowering us to remember our primal essence, recognize ourselves as pure consciousness, embrace our inherent harmony, and acknowledge ourselves with love. We reinforce our spiritual body to structure experiences in alignment with our life plan, empowering us to channel our experiences towards the original purpose of our life's journey, enabling us to radiate emotions of peace, happiness, tranquility, acceptance, and complete connection with the universe. Let's strengthen our astral body to separate from and return to the physical body, fortifying the subtle substance that allows us to travel between dimensions. We strengthen our emotional body and pure feelings connected to love, while eliminating programmed emotions of fear, scarcity, and limitation. We reinforce our emotions to contribute to your journey of self-discovery. Be strong so that your emotions allow you to expand your awareness and continue with more positive experiences. We're removing emotions that have damaged, blocked, and deteriorated your health. We're eliminating the programming of emotions that trigger self-sabotaging reactions at 0-infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're strengthening the causal body as a repository of experiences and transcended injuries from multiple lifetimes. Be strong to accept, admit, and acknowledge karma. Be strong to transcend it through awareness, acceptance, and gratitude. We're eliminating beliefs that karma is a punishment, revenge, or debt. Everything that comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, the collective, family, and yourself. We're strengthening the Buddha body to awaken spiritually, to enlighten our consciousness with love, gratitude, and acceptance. Be strong to manifest ourselves from our inner wisdom. We are strong enough to apply the knowledge we've gained through our many life experiences. We have the strength to feel understanding and compassion for souls at different levels of consciousness, where pain and suffering are prevalent. We strengthen our atmospheric body to surround, permeate, and protect all our other bodies. We are strong enough to connect cosmically and absorb higher energies from our surroundings. We make this connection in all directions, from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, from inside to outside, inward, backward, forward, and forward, backward, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. Let's strengthen our luminous body to connect with divine light. We are strong enough to illuminate our own darkness and unconsciousness. We strengthen our tandem body to increase our vital energy, physical strength, and spiritual connection. Let's erase memories of having been involved in dark sorcery or witchcraft that harmed others and our subtle bodies. We'll remove the effects of witchcraft from this life and past lives that left weaknesses in any of our bodies, past, present, and all programmed futures. We're eliminating vibrational barriers imposed with or without consent, stemming from ancestors and past lives through pacts, promises, commitments, and agreements, whether yours or others. We're clearing away the accumulated effects of all this, the limitations, scarcity, and mental distortions it has caused. We're removing any resistance to letting go. We're eliminating anything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks this process of release. Now let's strengthen and expand your energy field to its maximum capacity. We'll become strong enough to feel content, satisfied, and grateful, and to protect our subtle bodies. We strengthen our spiritual self-concept and our connection to the divine as pure consciousness. We enhance our physical intelligence to operate towards the greatest expansion of consciousness. We cultivate strong interpersonal relationships that promote harmony and acceptance. We strengthen the congruence between our thoughts, feelings, actions, and words to transmit this alignment to each of our subtle bodies. We reinforce self-honesty, self-observation, and self-knowledge. We eliminate fissures and weakening programs in each body, repairing cracks, perforations, holes, and breaks. We energetically seal, restore, regenerate, and reintegrate the entire field, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back. We strengthen our ability to close, weld, and seal 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. We fortify the internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of each of our subtle bodies, both individually and collectively. And for each of the geometries we're working with here, at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. We eliminate all weaknesses from 0 to infinity, 100% of the time within a finite time frame. We send all energetic debris, energetic parasites, and entities from any dimension, level, or form to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe, and other unknown places. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?